Hey, it's John Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing videos on how to draw cartoons. Today's lesson, I'm going to be sharing with you how to draw this cute little hot dog. I'm hungry right now just thinking of a hot dog. Alright, so if you have your paper and you have your pencil, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Now that was a fun video, and I am extremely hungry for a hot dog. Maybe I should be eating something better than a hot dog, but you know what? I'm hungry for a hot dog. Well, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy it, and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.